Hello everyone. So today we are looking at different types of classification methods discussed in machine learning. So as we all know, uh, when we have set of features and one target variable with two classes like 0 and 1, we call them as binary classification, where we have if we describe number of classes as d, where d equal 1, and there will be more features. So here, and so it will be binary classification problem. And by in here, if we say the number of classes as k equal 2, when we have more classes, let's say k greater than 2, like for example grades. If the y is grade, we have a, b, c, 3 categories. So in that case, we'll call that classification method as multi-class. There are many base classifiers in the literature. So we all know these two classes, basic classification problems. And then it will be again, there will be only one target variable. I would say like the equal 1. So then the next type of classification is, I would say, so then imagine if we have d equal 3. In that case, there will be more features. These all represent the features, and there will be y's, multiple number of y's, like y2, y3. In this, d equal 3. 3 types of variables, I would say, represented using this set of features. So in this case, we called it as multi-label classification. Multi-label. Here k is still 2. It means they will be like binary 0, 1. For example, so next will be, imagine when we have more d's, it means many number of classes, and d greater than 1, and also k greater than 2. This we call as multi-dimensional classification problems, because it has multiple number of target variables, as well as number of categories for each, multiple, more greater than 2. So so these are some of the main categories of classification. So if I put them into a picture, you can say multidimensional is like the outer group, like the bigger group. So I will draw it as this multidimensional classification. Then inside that, there will be 2. It will be like 1 as multi-class, where D is 1, K is greater than 2. Then there will be multi-label, the other way around, multi-label. It means D is greater than 1. D is greater than 1, but the K is 2. I would draw this like this. It will be easy. K is 2. These are the K is 2, this one. And in the middle is interesting. We can describe this section as binary classification. So this is the big picture of classification method. So thank you for listening.